This Jamaican woman rode solo across the United States in the 1930s on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. In spite of rampant racism, she was very happy on two wheels. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates.
Alright then, wave the flag and we proud of our country. Mr. God say we reach half a century. Black, green and gold, represent the sun, the land, the people, hopes.
Our people, the strength of the land. Half a century we work for the plan. Right of future for where we belong. Raised by the blessing of some strong woman.
Eternal Father bless you, woman. I am proud to be Jamaican. Respect goes to my sunshine girl. Watch Miss Jamaica go turn Miss World. And have a physical beauty. Yeah, put them in a dress and in a spelling bee. Yo, down to my little sister. No say she can't turn prime minister. Jamaica.
Today is the day. Start your ignition.
Bessie Stringfield was a legendary force during the ripening of American motorcycle culture. As a woman of color participating in a taboo lifestyle, she faced immeasurable prejudice, yet she lived by a simple credo: what I did was fun, and I loved it. In 1930, at the age of 19, Stringfield became the first African-American woman to ride across the United States solo. Before the interstate highway system, road travel was haphazard at best. Pavement was scarce and dirt roads were carved with danger, if they existed at all. As a skilled rider, Stringfield navigated these challenges, but discrimination and Jim Crow laws posed even more treacherous hurdles. Betsy Ellis was born February 9, 1911 in Kingston, Jamaica, to a white Dutch mother and Jamaican father. Soon her parents moved the family to Boston, but both died of smallpox when Betsy was 5 years old. It's unclear when or why her name was changed to Bessie. In Boston, an Irish Catholic woman adopted Bessie and raised her in a devout household. Bessie would call the woman her mother the rest of her life, but never name her in interviews. When Bessie was 16, she asked her mother for a motorcycle and received a 1928 Indian Scout. Despite not knowing how to operate the controls, she attributed her talent to the grace of God, whom she called the man upstairs. When I got on the motorcycle, I put the man upstairs on the front. I am very happy on two wheels, she told journalist and author Anne Ferrar in Hear Me Roar, Women Motorcycles and the Rapture of the Road, that's in 1996. After her first trip across the U.S., Bessie would complete the journey 7 more times, eventually visiting all 48 contiguous states, plus Europe, Brazil, and Haiti. Her favorite game was tossing a penny onto a map and traveling wherever it landed. To fund her trips, Bessie performed motorcycle stunts for local carnivals, which helped secure her fame. As she traveled throughout the 1930s and 40s, Bessie faced risks at every turn. As an African-American woman who participated in an alternative lifestyle, she was treated as a second-class citizen, especially in the Deep South, where few black people were able to move freely. When motels denied her accommodation, she slept in gas station parking lots, her motorcycle a bed, her jacket a pillow. Once she was reportedly knocked off the road by a white man in a pickup truck. She married 6 times in total. After losing 3 babies with her first husband, Bessie's heartbreak kept her from ever trying again to have children. Despite divorcing her 3rd husband, Arthur Stringfield, he insisted she keep his surname. "Because I had made it famous," said Bessie. By World War II, Stringfield and her Harley-Davidsons were fixtures on the motorcycle circuit. To her, Harleys were the only motorcycle ever made. She would own 27 during her lifetime. She worked with the Army as a civilian motorcycle dispatch rider, the only woman in her unit carrying messages between domestic bases. She affixed the Army crest to the front of her blue Harley 61. In the 1950s, Stringfield made her home in Miami, where she became a registered nurse and funded the Iron Horse Motorcycle Club. She was repeatedly pulled over, she said, by police officers who claimed N-word women are not allowed to ride motorcycles. Rather than quit, Stringfield arranged a meeting with the chief of police, took him to a local park and proved her motorcycle skills firsthand. She was never targeted by police again. Instead, she performed in races and earned the nickname the Motorcycle Queen of Miami. After winning one race disguised as a man, she took off her helmet to claim the prize and was subsequently refused. In the year 2000, the American Motorcycle Association honored Stringfield with an exhibition and created the Bessie Stringfield Award, presented annually to an individual who has been instrumental in bringing motorcycling to new audiences. She was inducted into the Motorcycle Hall of Fame in 2002. In June 2016, the Miami Times reported that 200 female riders would travel to Stringfield's South Florida home to honor the late pioneer. Stringfield, however, had died in 1993 at age 82 from complications surrounding an enlarged heart. Though her doctor had advised her to stop riding, she told him, "If I don't ride, I won't live long," and so she never did quit. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting, or you loved it. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon, so that you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless.
Take it away.